At boom 500, yeah, let's try the bull, I think, but then let's just try, and then let's go to our 24-hour time frame. Okay, let's just spot our trend first here. You can see that the market is in a downtrend. It's currently in a downtrend. And then going to 4-hour time frame, this is where we'll spot our highest level and then also our lowest level. And then looking at 4-hour time frame, this is where we can spot this is our highest level and then this is our lowest level. And then another thing, we are having this important level, but then we'll talk about it. Let's look into this. Okay. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. Okay, we just broke out from this level. You can see that it broke the previous high here, and then the market is currently here, and then it broke out and then also came to a retest from that level. And then let's just keep looking. You can see that we are having this rising channel here. We are having this rising channel here, and then looking much here. And then you can see that we had many touches from this level here. So let's go to a 15-minute time frame. Okay. You can see that the market broke out and then it went back. So we can move this one to come here. But let's just leave it here because it might be creating another pattern here. Here in this form. And maybe another pattern is creating. This might be a contraction channel. Yes, this is just a contraction channel. You can see. You can see that the market is just growing small. You can see this is the opposite of expanding channel. So this is a contraction channel. you can see we may be looking for something like this. This is a contraction channel. This is a contraction channel, guys. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but yeah, something like that, contraction channel. So you can see that this is something that we can see we are expecting. And then we are looking for the market to drop. And then we are just waiting to break. I'm using the wrong one. We are just waiting for the market to break out from this contraction channel, and then we going down with it. This is our first target, and then this is our final target. So yeah, let's go to step index. Step index, I think this will be the last one. And then let's go to 4-hour time frame, daily time frame. This is our highest time frame on synthetic index. So marking this as our highest level, and then this is our lowest level, and then you can see and then you can see that the market was going up. It was rising from here, going up. So we were in an uptrend, but then now the market has broken from that uptrend. Now we are currently looking for the market to drop. We're currently looking for it to drop until maybe this level here. So remember that we don't control the market. That is why we have something called possibilities and probabilities. So yeah, we don't control the market. We just have to take what the market gives us. And then let's just go to our 4-hour time frame. And then this is one of the important levels. This one is an important level. And then yes, those are important levels. And then let's go to 1-hour time frame. It seems like the market is shooting up. We were late though. We are having this channel here. This is an expanding channel, the opposite of that channel which I was talking about. This is the opposite of contraction channel. Yes, I think it's contraction. Yes, something like that. You can see this is an expanding channel, but within this expanding channel we can see that we had this channel here. This is pattern within patterns. So we had this channel here. The market is moving up. The market is shooting up. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. You see, the market just started shooting after a break. We're late. We're late, guys. Another contraction channel. You can see that the market just broke out from this level here. It just broke out and then it gave a retest here, so it means we were supposed to have entered after this break, after this here. We're supposed, after this candlestick, supposed to have entered, and then this is our first target. Our first target will have been taken, and then coming to that level. So yeah. Let's remove this. We have expanding channel. Let's not use that one. Let's use this one, because this is where I think the market has respected this one. Let's forget about this one. You can see how the market was approaching this level here. So it came here in a correction format. You can see it came here in a correction formation, and then it gave something like a double bottom here. Here we had many confirmations here. We had something like this double bottom, and then we broke out from this level. We had many confirmations. So I think this is the end of the video. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just hit that subscribe button, and then also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also share the video. Thank you for watching until the very end.